Aries, something massive is shifting, and it starts now. The moment you've been waiting for isn't ahead of you. It's here, right now, beneath your feet, roaring through your veins like fire in a forge. You're not just standing at the edge of a new chapter. You are the beginning. The universe is speaking to you in signs, in echoes, in storms. And if you've been seeing patterns, hearing whispers, or feeling that relentless tug in your gut, this is the confirmation you've been searching for. Before we go any further, drop your date of birth and your zodiac sign in the comments right now. Declare your presence. Declare your readiness, because Aries, while abundance is pouring down on you like molten gold from the heavens, there's a shadow moving quietly behind it. A betrayal, cold, calculated, and closer than you'd ever expect. Someone you trusted, someone you let in, has been quietly rooting against you, their jealousy wrapping around your ankles like chains. And it stings. But don't look away. This is where the true story begins, not in the betrayal, but in what you do with it. And before we go deeper, hit subscribe to Horns of Aries so you never miss the fire that guides your next transformation. You see, the universe doesn't send storms to break you. It sends them to burn away what no longer serves. The money? It's real. It's flowing. But it's not just about cash. It's about worth, energy, and power. And the betrayal? It's not your downfall. It's your mirror. It shows you who's aligned and who's been dragging dead weight through your evolution. Let them fall. Let them reveal themselves, because this betrayal is a doorway. And on the other side is your next version, not because someone swoops in to rescue you, but because you rise up and rescue yourself. That's the twist. You become your own revolution. But to hold this next level, masks must fall, especially yours. You've been wearing the "I'm fine" mask for far too long, smiling to keep the peace while your soul screamed for war. But the peace you've been protecting isn't real. It's stagnation dressed in politeness. And you, Aries, were not made for stagnation. You were born for ignition. So like this video right now, if you feel that fire rising in you, if your body is screaming for clarity, change, and forward motion, here's what you do. Grab a piece of paper. Write down the name of the one who's been blocking your light, the one your gut has been warning you about. Then write, "I release you to make room for what's next." Rip it up, burn it, scatter it in the wind. Let it go. Because you're not just cutting cords, you're calling back power. And when you do, your frequency spikes. The universe listens, money shows up, opportunities spark, ideas flood in. And no, it's not magic, it's alignment. That voice telling you to forgive too soon, to return to comfort, that's not your intuition, that's your trauma, that's fear. You're not here to repeat, you're here to rewrite. And this time, you're choosing you. That means no more begging for love, no more waiting for validation, no more shrinking to fit cages you've already outgrown. The people who envy you can't hold you anymore. The jobs that drain you can't define you, and the moments that once broke you, they now build you. Now listen. A test is coming. A conversation, a trigger, a decision that seems small on the surface, but carries the weight of your entire future. Don't react, observe, respond with clarity. That's the turning point. That's where you either repeat the loop or ascend. Ask yourself, what door have I been avoiding because I know it will change everything? That's your door. Open it. And when it does, everything accelerates. New people arrive, the right ones, the kind who see you, not your masks, who support your growth, not your compliance. But to receive them, you have to make space. So write another list. What you're saying no to, starting today. Read it aloud every day for a week, because what you don't name continues to rule you. And Aries, you were never meant to be ruled. You are the first spark, the trailblazer, the origin. Over the next 3 days, take on this sacred challenge. Don't complain, not once. Replace every frustration with gratitude. Watch how your reality starts shifting around your vibration. And when someone from the past, someone who once couldn't see your value, tries to re-enter your life, don't fall for the flattery. You're not the same. You don't need to go back to be seen. You see yourself now, and that's enough. Now write a letter to your future self 6 months from now. Write it in the present tense. Tell them who you are, how you feel, what you've become. Hide it somewhere sacred. In 6 months, when you open it, you'll weep with recognition. You'll see just how far you've come, because every step from this moment on is rebirth. And it's not about being perfect, it's about being real. So I ask you again, what version of you needs to die today so the one you were born to be can finally rise? This is the climax, Aries. And the universe has been orchestrating this all along, not to punish, but to prepare. That betrayal, it shook you awake. That money, it's not luck. It's a reflection of your alignment. That new person entering your life. They're not here to complete you. They're here because you finally completed yourself. And now, with your soul centered and your path clear, the door opens. But before you walk through, write this decree in the comments with all the fire you've got. I, Aries, am reborn in my true power and open the doors to a new destiny. Because this moment is no longer about survival. It's about leadership, self-leadership, conscious creation, embodied truth. And yes, it will make people uncomfortable. Yes, it may leave you standing alone for a while. But what would you rather lose? People who tolerate a false version of you, or the chance to live as the real you? From this moment forward, speak your name each morning. Say, today the universe works for me. Then ask, what step takes me closer to my new destiny? And take that step, just one, every day. That's how mountains move. That's how timelines shift. That's how miracles arrive. Aries, this is your rebirth. No more dimming, no more apologizing, no more waiting. Everything you've been asking for is responding, not because you chased it, but because you became it. Like this video, if you feel it in your bones. Subscribe to Horns of Aries now, so you never miss the sacred fires that call you home. And tell me below, what's the first thing you're going to change today?